Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So all you have to do basically is to enter the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon or 3 bars icon, but I believe it is a square icon, and then you will be transferred to the recents. If you've got the gestures just like me, all you have to do is to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here on the nose of this cute little guy. So maybe not like that, just like that, and after releasing you can see that here we've got the recents. And depending what you want to do, if you want to close only one of those apps, just find it and swipe it to the left or to the right, whatever, and they will be closed. Or if you want to close all of them, just tap on this X button. And as you can see, we just got back to the home page, and in the recents we've got no recent items, which simply means that we just successfully closed background apps. Alright, so basically that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.